No matter which city that we live in, air pollution is something that is very difficult to escape. Air pollution is extremely harmful to health. One, because we are directly inhaling the air, it causes a lot of systemic side effects. It's also equally damaging to the skin's surface itself. It can cause a lot of free radical damage, thereby causing issues such as sensitive and irritable skin, general dull skin, UV spots, also darkening of the skin, and sometimes just premature aging of skin. There are the various types of pollution sources. One, it's the automobile exhaust. Second, cigarette smoking. It can also be manufacturing byproducts from factories. Also, small particulate matter such as volatile organic compounds. And lastly, smoke. All forms of pollution are equally damaging on the skin. What can we do in our daily skincare to help our skin protect against pollution? Firstly, contribute in your own small ways to not increase air pollution. Secondly, include foods rich in antioxidants in your everyday meals so as to combat free radical damage internally. And lastly, use skincare products which will help neutralize and reverse air pollution damage to some extent. Don't worry, you don't have to immediately switch to a sunscreen or to a cream which has anti-pollution effects. Most skin products, by the virtue of their ingredients, do have some anti-pollution effect. For example, most skincare products which contain vitamin C, vitamin E, etc. also serve the purpose of free radical scavenging, which protects against the damage by air pollution. Most of your sunscreens would have agents such as mineral, titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, which will also help in protecting against environmental damage. It is very important now than ever before to start using basic skincare products to maintain your skin health in the long run.